Hi guys and welcome. Today I just wanted to take a moment to pay it forward by giving shoutouts to 10 channels from my fellow YouTubers. You're all very important to me, but I just wanted to do these 10 today, and I hope to do more in the future. I hope that if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, that you will hit the red subscribe button below and tap on the notification bell. And please watch the entire video so that all of the YouTubers that are featured will get a chance to have their channels seen. They're typically in my comment section, or you may see them in the description link below. And I hope that you'll enjoy what they have to present and that you'll support them. And here they are.
Hazzell's channel is about photography, very beautiful landscapes and decorations and different things that she has seen from travel and so on. Next we have Gardening with Susie, and as it says, it's all about gardening, and she also does some nice decorations, and she makes little bags and little knitted things. Boom and BIGZ is more like a travel vlog, but they also do vegan foods as well as they sell things online, usually clothing items. Sunhig travels all over the United States, and she goes with her little dog Sunshine. Sun shows us beautiful locations all over Korea. Denise has the most beautiful orchids that I've seen. It truly is a paradise. Dees Backyard features beautiful birds as they appear in her backyard, different species, and they're usually having a good time there. Anthony is all about cooking, all different types of dishes, so delicious and tasty. Valsa has wonderful Indian recipes, and she does always list her recipes and the actual instructions in her descriptions. And last but not least, we have Moody Blooms, all about succulents, all the information that you need, how to propagate them, and so on. So I hope you enjoy those. And as always, I do thank you so much for watching.